Hey, what's up guys, Rana back here with another video, and in this video guys I'm going to show you how you can create a free WordPress blog with few simple steps. So in the previous videos we created a free website with a free domain and free hosting. Now it's time to customize that site that we created in the previous videos. So a lot of you request me to make a tutorial on that, so now I'm here to make that tutorial for you guys. So we're gonna create the WordPress blog from the scratch. If you have a website, then you are good to go. You can still follow my instruction in this video. If you don't have a website and you are new to this video, you want to create a free website, then you can check out the description box of this video. You can find all the links in the description box that I'm gonna talking about in this very video. So make sure check out the description box, and of course if you're new to the channel, and make sure subscribe and don't forget to press that bell icon, so with that whenever I upload a new video you will get notified. So without wasting time, let's get started. Let me show you how you can create a free WordPress blog. So guys, this is the blog that we are going to create, and we are going to create this branding of this website. Next we are going to create these menus and sub menu as well, and next we're going to create these social media links, and then we add a post, and then we create about the author section, and then we're going to add this search bar, and then we add this recent post section, and then we're gonna add this Instagram post section, then we're gonna add this category section, and we're also gonna add this Instagram section below the posts. And then you can see we're gonna add another branding of your website here and a few text over here, and then we will add this latest post section, and then we add recent comments, and then we add this social media links over here, and finally we're gonna change the footer text. So guys, let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the dashboard. So guys, first we need to install a theme. To do that, let's go to the appearance and click on themes. Click on add new. Click upload theme. Click choose file. You can find theme and plugin in the description of this video. Make sure you download the files, and maybe there are other files as well in the description box. Be sure to check out. Now select the theme and choose open. Click on install now. Now click activate. Now click customize. So guys, this is our fresh WordPress website looks like. Now let's start customize our WordPress website. So first thing first, let's go to the site identity. So here guys, I'm gonna add a logo. If you don't have a logo, you can keep it as it is. You can give a title to your site, give a tagline. As you can see, these are the tagline and this is the title of your site. So now I'm going to add logo. So click on select logo, and here you need to drag and drop your logo file. If you don't have a logo, then you can use Photoshop to create a transparent logo. If you don't have Photoshop either, then you can watch my other video to create logo without Photoshop. You can find that video link in the description box as well as into the cart. So I'm gonna drag and drop my site logo over here. So guys, this is the resolution of this image. Now click select. Now click crop image. Now uncheck this because we don't need that. Now we need to add a site identity. Now drag and drop your site identity image. So again, this is the resolution of this site identity image. This image also has transparency on it. Now select it. Click crop image. Now click save and publish. Now let's create the menus. Let's go back. Now let's go to the menus. Let's click on create new menu. Let's check this primary menu. Let's call this menu 1. Click next. Now let's add items into this menu. Let's add pages to this menu. Let's click on home. Let's create new pages here. Contact page. Let's click add. Let's create about me page. As I'm adding these pages to the menu, you can see the live preview right side on the screen. Let's go back and create another menu. I'm gonna call this menu 2, and now check social links. Click next. Now add item to this menu, and then click on custom links, then add all your social media links, and then click on add to the menu. So guys, we created the social media links over here. Now click publish. Now let's go back here. So guys, if we take a look at our demo site, we can see we have added the categories to this menu. Recently we added the pages. Now we are going to add the categories like this into our website. Let's go back to our site. Now let's go to the dashboard by clicking on this cross button. Now let's create a post. Let's go to the post and then click on add new. Now add a title to your post. Now add your content over here. Now add featured image. Now upload your featured image, then click on set featured image. So guys, this featured image will show up your site look like this. Now click on add new category. I'm gonna call this PC. Let's click on add new category. Now click on publish. Now let's add one more post. Enter the title of your post and then paste your content over here. Let's change the featured image. Then click on upload files and upload your featured image. Now click on set featured image. Now click on add new category. So I'm gonna type Android. Now click on add new category. Now click publish. Let's visit to our site. So guys, as you can see, now our blog has 2 posts on it. So guys, now we're going to add the categories into the menu that we just created. Now let's just customize our blog furthermore. Let's click on menus. Now open the menu 1 and then add the category pages into the menu 1. And now let's go to the pages and add a few more pages like DMCA page, privacy policy page, disclaimer page, like so. So guys, in order to create some menus, we need to take the DMC page and we need to put this below the privacy policy, and also we're gonna take the disclaimer to the same position of the DMC. By doing this, we created a sub menus under the privacy policy. Let's go back here and click on publish. So guys, as you can see, we have sub menus as well. Next, let's go back. Now let's go to widgets, go to sidebar, and let's remove this widget and remove this widget as well, this and this. Now click on add widgets. Now click on author box widget. Now take this widget to the top. Now open this widget and change the author profile and change the author title and change the author about text. Now we need to insert the image. To do that, we need to click on publish. Now close the customization. Let's go back to our dashboard. Let's go to the media. Click on add new. Let's upload a image. Now select the image and copy the URL of this image. And let's go back to our site. Click on customize. Click on widgets, sidebar, author box widget. Now scroll down and remove this URL and paste that URL that we just copied. Now I'm adding social media links into this widget like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and few others. You can add as many links as you want. Once you're done, click on publish. Let's go back here. So if you take a look at our demo site, you can see this blog has a recent post widget right side on the blog. We're gonna add the same widget into our blog. Let's go back to our site. In order to add that widget, we need to install the plugin. In order to install the plugin, we need to go to the dashboard and then go to the plugin and click on add new. Here you need to search the plugin recent post with thumbnails. Now install this plugin. Now click on activate. Now let's go back to our site and then click on customize. Now let's go to the widgets. Let's go to the sidebar. Click on add widget. Let's find that widget that we just installed. Now click on recent post with thumbnail widget. You can change the settings of this widget as your requirements are, like how many posts you want to show the post date, etc, etc. Open the widget and you can change the settings. Now I'm gonna put this widget below the search bar. If you do not see the thumbnail in this widget, then you want to go to this widget setting and then go to the thumbnail option, and you need to specify the thumbnail width and height, and your thumbnail will be appear in this widget. Once you're done with the settings, then click on publish. Let's go back here. Let's go back to our demo site and let's see what is left. Now we're going to add this Instagram section. Let's go back to our site. Let's go back to the dashboard of this website. Let's go back to plugin and click add new. Now we need to install plugin called Wolfgram. Let's click on upload plugin. Now choose file. Now install this plugin. You can find the link of this plugin in the description of this video. Now click on install now. Now click on activate plugin. Now let's visit our site. Now click on customize. Let's go to widgets, sidebar, add a widget. Let's click on Instagram. So by adding this widget, we don't see anything right here because we need to do some settings of this widget. So click on publish. Now let's go back here. Let's go back to the dashboard. Let's click on Instagram. Now click on get your access key. Click on that. That will take you to this site. Now you need to click on get your access key. After clicking on that, you need to log into your Instagram and then you need to allow this website to access the information of your Instagram profile. Now you need to copy this code. Let's go back to your dashboard and paste that code here and click on link your Instagram account. So that's it. Now click on save change. Let's go back to customization of this blog. Let's go back to widgets, sidebar, Instagram. So as you can see, we have Instagram section right over here. So guys, let's delete this hello world post. To do that, we need to go back to the dashboard and then we need to go to the post and then delete this post. Let's go back to customization of this blog. Let's go to widgets. Let's click on home page bottom. Now click add widget, click Instagram widget, and now we need to change the count to 4 maybe. Yeah, that's look fine. Now click on publish. Now let's go back here. Let's go to the widgets. Now open footer sidebar 1. Let's click on add widget, scroll down. Let's add image widget. So here we need to insert the image. Click on add image and then select the image and click on add to the widget. Now click on add widget. Let's add one more widget. Scroll down. Let's find text. Paste your text here. Now click on publish. Let's go back to the widgets. Let's add widget to the footer sidebar 2. Let's click on add widget. Let's add recent post. So I'm gonna call this latest posts. Let's go back here. Finally, let's open footer sidebar 3. Let's add a widget. Let's add a recent comment widget. And one more. We need to add the social media widget right here. If you look at the demo site, you can see we have social media links over here as well. To add this social media links, we need to install plugin. Let's go back to the dashboard and install the plugin. Let's go to the plugins, click on add new. Let's search for Smart Social. Let's install this plugin. Click on install now, click on activate. Now let's visit our site. Click on customize. Let's go to the widgets, footer sidebar 3. Let's add widget. So as you can see, now we have a mix social widget. Let's click on that. Inside this widget, you can change the shape of your social media icon, and then you can go under the icons, add your social media icon, plus add the URL of that icon. You can add social media icon as many as you want. And you can change the size of your social media icons as well. You can change the title of your widgets. Now click on publish. Now we are going to change the footer text of this blog. like all right reserved. Most of the theme have feature to change footer text directly inside the customization, but some theme does not have the ability to change the footer text inside customization. Like this theme does not have the feature to change the footer text. So we're going to change the footer text by going to the editor, and we're going to change some text inside the footer.php file, and we can change the text over there. Let's go back to the dashboard. So let's go to the appearance. Let's go to editor. Now click on I understand. Now click on theme footer. So guys, before you editing this code, make sure you have knowledge of coding. If you do not know about coding, then make sure you have backup of your website. If you do not know how to make a backup, then you can watch my other video. You can find that video link in the description box, or you can find the video link right here in the card. If you still not have a backup, then you can copy the whole code and you can paste that code into the text file and then start editing this code. If you come up with messy result, and then you can paste the code that you copy into your text file back to this file. This way you can save your WordPress database to be corrupt. So first thing we need to do is we need to find the exact same words that appear in the footer position of the blog, and we need to replace that words with our own footer text. And again, we need to be very careful with that, because if we make some changes in that footer.php file, if that change would be wrong, then our WordPress database could be corrupted. So in that situation, our WordPress site will not be open. First, we need to remove this text over here. So I'm going to copy the whole footer text from my demo site, and then I'm gonna replace that text with this text right here. Let's just remove this. And remove this. And let's just remove this one as well. And let's just remove this. And remove this. And remove this part of as well. And this part as well. And remove this as well. Now let's just click on update files and let's see what we have done so far. Now let's just open your site preview in a new tab. If you scroll down, you can see we have only this text here. That's not what we want. Actually, we need to cut the footer text from here. Cut this right there and paste over here. Now click on update file. Let's reload. We need to remove the by and dot. Now let's just find the by in this code. Let's try with Ctrl F. There is the by. We need to remove it. And we need to remove the dot right here. Let's click on update files. Now let's reload. So as you can see guys, we just changed the footer text as well. So with that, we done all the steps here. So now we have successfully created this nice looking blog. Now you can apply for Google AdSense. If you want to learn more about how you can apply for Google AdSense for your website or your blog, then you can check out my other video. You can find the video link in the description of this video, or you can check out the card as well. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. So I'll see you guys next time.